Alright, finally got the window motor finished up. I got it wired up today, and here I'm just using a one battery SSG circuit, and you can see here the wire I used is 31 and 29 gauge. I've actually got enough wire here to be able to wire up the full bipolar circuit when I get ready to put that together. But here it is running. With the SSG circuit here, it's only running at a max speed of 1,030 RPMs. I've already tested it earlier. I tried to use this thicker or the bigger magnets on this particular rotor, and it was just I guess it's too powerful for what I had as far as the setup. If I had it with opto switching or reed switching or Hall, it would probably work. But the other thing is I got steel bearings on this particular setup, and it was interacting with those steel bearings as well, so it just didn't work. So I ended up taking the rotor off the Rick model that I had from earlier, which has the smaller Neos on it, and it runs pretty good. I did run it with the half bisequential circuit earlier, and it does run at a higher RPM than the Rick model here, but I mean, it's not a very fair assessment because it's two different size wires. The Rick model has 26 and 23 gauge wire, where I'm using again 29 and 31 gauge wire here. There's 6 wires to this. Of course, it's 2 trigger wires, and it's 4 29 gauge wires on it, and I'm using the same flywheels as before. I did 3D print some wire standoffs to make it a little easier to wire, and you can see here you've also got enough room if you wanted to wrap some wire around it vertically as maybe a generator coil or an additional power cord coil. But there's a lot more room for more wire than what I had here. Each of the 6 wires that I do have wound on here, they're 150 feet apiece. I hadn't done a whole lot of work with a really small wire, diameter wire like this, but I could have got a whole lot more on it. I look forward to working with this, and if anybody's interested, I would be willing to share these files. You could probably PM me if you wanted those files, and I can get those over to you. If I had enough interest, maybe I could put it on Thingiverse. But I don't know if I'd be getting any kind of trouble as far as with maybe getting permission doing that. But there it is anyway.